If you've ever wondered how to move a 3D character forward in whatever direction that it's facing, this one line is the answer. You see, basis is the reason that your character moves forward. It's the reason your camera knows where to point. And it's the reason your enemy knows where to aim. And most people avoid it because basis sounds like complicated math, or it might sound a little daunting, but I promise you it's not. Here's a quick question. What direction is forward in Godot 3D? Most of the time, forward is defined as negative z. That's why you see negative basis.z everywhere. Every 3D node has a Transform3D. It's literally just two parts. Origin is position, and basis is the rotation plus the scale. So when people say basis, they really mean the object's local axes. See, basis is three vectors. They represent the object's local directions, with basis.x points to the object's right, basis.y points up, and basis.z points forward. And because Godot 3D usually treats forward as negative z, when you want forward movement, you usually use negative basis.z. Now check this out. If I rotate the character, do these axes rotate too? Exactly, they rotate with the object. That's literally the whole power of basis. Now, let me show you two quick examples using basis. The first example, basis gives you forward and right instantly. Forward is negative z, and right is x. So now, WASD moves relative to where the player is facing, not the world space. And watch this. I can rotate and move forward, and forward movement follows the facing direction. That's basis. Now, another example, one that you might be more familiar with, if you want an enemy or a turret to face a target, look at, which is a built-in function, sets the basis for you. And now it always faces the target. All right, now let's recap everything that we've learned so far. Basis is your local axes. X is right, Y is up, and Z is forward. And if you remember one thing from this video, just remember that forward in Godot is usually negative basis.z. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys liked it, go comment down below, like the video, share it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.